Hey Megan, how you doing today? My name is Devin, and you spoke with me yesterday, so I just want to say thank you for taking the time of speaking to me and then checking this video out. So really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website you can do super easy to beat Boutique Tree. As you see, they're ranked right here on the top of Google on the first page when you type in Atlanta Tree Service, as well as down here in the organic listings. For this Atlanta Tree Service keyword right here, it's high volume, gets 720 clicks a month. So definitely something you guys want to be ranking for. So I know you're most likely sitting there asking yourself why I'm making this video for you. Well, it's really super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are really busy actually running their business, and they don't have time to learn how the internet can bring them more leads and more clients. So the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is that they don't really know who is and who is not an expert. So I found out by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, some owners go out and just do this stuff on their own, and then some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you guys decide to do with these tips is totally okay with me. My only goal here is to just educate you and just give you some good information. So I want to talk to you today about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. So Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content to be optimized in their eyes. In their eyes, people are more likely to stay on your page and stay on Google longer with the more content you have on your page. So Google's crawling websites trying to see who has the most content so they can rank them at the first in their showcase on the first page. So as we see, you guys roughly have about 500 words of actual content on your page, which it has really nice colors. I could tell as a professional that built this page. So as we hop over here to Boutique Tree, you guys are definitely beating them in this category when it comes to being optimized. These guys probably definitely have under 100 words of content on their page. So another important factor from having 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is keywords. So adding in, like for example, Atlanta Tree Service, adding in these high volume keywords on your website can get you ranked for these keywords. So when people are typing this in, Google will revert them back to your site. So my first tip is getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page, as well as adding in those high volume keywords that you guys want to be ranking for. So my second tip is going to be backlinks. And a backlink is another website that is linking back to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But Google really likes to see relevant companies, and they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies or other contractors rather than Pizza Hut linking back to your website, because Google understands that you guys don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use this site called Ahrefs to check this. I pay monthly for this, but there's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there you guys can use. So as we see here, you guys have 9 different websites sending in a total of 37 backlinks back to your website. So 37 times your guys' website is listed in 9 different websites. So as we hop over here to Boutique Tree, we see these guys have 143 different websites in a total of 557 backlinks, giving them pretty good traffic and everything. As you see, they have 2.8K of keywords that they're using. You guys only have 132 keywords, so as we see the difference. But when it comes to this backlinks, it's very easy to beat these guys. Literally, you're just gonna come in here and you're just gonna copy them. All these websites they have right here that's working for them to get them on that first page. You guys can go out there and get these as well. So you literally just come in here, you create an account. Some of these are blog comments. A lot of these are free. You just post a comment on the blog and then just drop a link back to your website. And that's all you need to do to get ranked down here in this organic section. Everything under this map section is organic listings. So that's what's going to get you ranked first over here. If you want to be ranked first up here, this is my third tip right here. Everything here has to do with citations. So a citation is basically anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, Facebook, and Yellow Pages. It's all completely free to do. I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. Obviously, you guys have 57 citations, which is pretty good. Boutique Tree has 71. So similar to backlinks, we come in here. You can literally see what citations they're using to rank. And you want to go out here and copy paste these guys. You want to get everything they have and go out and get more. If these guys have 71 citations, I would recommend going out and getting 200 of these. So but that pretty much wraps it up with everything. I try to be as quick and brief as possible with with providing good information. So again, I went over content, just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content and getting those keywords you guys want to rank for. The backlinks, going out and copying those backlinks and going out and getting more as well, and then as well as citations. So again, my name is Devin. If you have any questions or want to reach out to me, my number is 775-402-2885. And I thank you for watching this video and taking the time. Thank you. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you.